Bonjour, people! Today we are going to talk about how to generate passive incomes through an NFT. Some initial questions may click your mind. What method should we choose that may generate passive income safely? Is it worth investing time in? So buckle up, I'm going to answer these questions later in the video. Also, one more important thing is that we are not giving financial advice. Everyone needs to do their due diligence and make their own decisions. Before we head on to the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started by giving an overview of NFT. What is NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token. These are digital assets such as pieces of art, photos, videos, memes, or virtual land with an authentic certificate created by blockchain technology that underlies cryptocurrency. Unlike cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, NFTs is non-fungible, which means that they cannot be replaced with each other and cannot be forged or otherwise manipulated. NFT has grown into a major sector of the crypto industry over time. Passive income strategies. Buying any NFT that promises passive income can be quite risky. Some projects promise tokens and never deliver, whereas others deliver tokens that don't end up being worth much. It is very important to do plenty of research before deciding to buy. Let us talk about the 5 best ways to generate passive income. Rent out NFTs. Renting out your NFTs, particularly ones in incredible demand, is one method for creating passive income. Some card trading games, for instance, permit players to get NFT cards to expand their possibilities of winning. NFT Rental involves an individual who claims a specific NFT and someone else who needs an NFT for a limited amount of time. They typically have the choice to choose their chosen rental agreement period and NFT renting rate. NFT rental marketplaces use DeFi-like blockchain protocols to empower safe transactions and guarantee that the NFT is returned to the owner after the rental period expires. These blockchain protocols allow owners of NFTs to lend their NFTs to total strangers for a set period and price, while ensuring that the original owner also gets their assets back. You guys must be thinking, why would someone rent an NFT? Renting out the NFT allows them to potentially generate passive income on their assets. NFTs can be quite expensive. Not everyone can afford to buy certain NFTs or might only have use for them for a limited time. So renting out the NFT allows them to potentially generate passive income on their assets. Let us consider an example. One of the best NFT games, such as Axie Infinity, allow you to play better or score more points if you own a particular NFT. Renting NFTs with special capabilities can make sense if it allows the user to earn more points within a play-to-earn game. Axie Infinity's Scholar program works in a very similar way. Many scholars can't afford an Axie, so they enter a partnership with a manager who owns NFTs but doesn't have time to play the game. In this Axie Infinity rental-like model, both sides share the profits. Some of the NFT platforms that currently offer rental services are RENFT, Vera, Trava NFT, IQ Protocol. Up next, we have NFT royalties. NFT royalties give you a certain amount of the sale price each time your NFT creation is sold on a marketplace. NFT royalty payments are executed by smart contracts automatically. With most marketplaces, you can choose your royalty percentage. If an artwork's royalty is set at 10%, the owner will receive 10% of the total sale price each time the artwork is resold to a new owner. The NFT royalties are automatic payouts to the author made on secondary sales. These are coded into the smart contract on the blockchain. Each time a secondary sale happens, the smart contract ensures that the terms of the NFT are fulfilled. If a royalty is specified, a cut of the profits goes to the artist who created them. There are no intermediaries needed, nor does this depend upon the wishes of whoever is transacting them. Please do note that not all NFTs yield royalties. It has to be specifically written into the terms. Once the smart contract terms are written into the blockchain, the rest is taken care of automatically. This works equally well for digital content, gaming accessories, physical items, etc. Musicians, creators, content creators, and artists of all kinds stand to gain from NFTs royalties. Renowned artists. Electronic musician Jacques Green had his track from 2011 netting around $27,000 in royalties. Mike Winkelmann, who made news by selling his artwork for a huge sum of money, has programmed his NFT to issue 10% royalty from each subsequent sale. Steve Aoki, Ozuna, Kings of Leon, etc. are artists who are actively taking advantage of the new technology to generate sales and subsequent royalties. Next on the list is NFT staking. Depositing or locking away digital assets into a DeFi protocol smart contract to create a yield is referred to as staking. The blockchain protocol locks funds in a staking pool and randomly selects validators who are mining or validating blocks of transactions. The more a participant deposits, the more likely they have a chance of getting selected. When a new block adds to the chain, new tokens are generated and distributed among the validators as a stake reward. The factors that determine how much a validator receives as a stake reward include the number of coins they stake, the duration of the active stake, the number of coins on the network, the inflation rate of the token, and more. By staking their coins and becoming validators, coin holders can make their idle assets work for them in exchange for rewards and earn passive income. Recently, a lot of platforms have emerged that offer the opportunity to bet on NFTs. Let us discuss a few platforms. Polychain Monsters. It is a blockchain platform for animated collectible NFTs called Polymon, which are purchased from digital booster packs. Polymons have different characteristics and varying degrees of rarity. Some combinations are extremely scarce, and the holders can stake their NFTs and receive weekly rewards in the native cryptocurrency, PMON. Banned NFTs. Music NFTs represent a new era for the music industry, in which creators have full control over distribution. It is an NFT exchange where users can buy music NFTs and participate in royalty pools to receive a share of the proceeds from the sales of their songs or albums. The larger the platform's music library becomes, the higher the royalty income stream for NFT holders. Now we'll talk about provide liquidity to earn NFTs. Liquidity refers to the efficiency with which an asset can be converted into ready cash without affecting its market price. The most liquid asset of all is cash itself. In other words, liquidity describes the degree to which an asset can be quickly bought or sold in the market at a price reflecting its intrinsic value. It is now feasible to contribute liquidity and get NFTs in exchange to establish your position in a specific liquidity pool. This is possible only because of the ongoing integration of NFTs and DeFi infrastructures. If you offer liquidity on Uniswap v3, the automated market maker will issue an ERC-721 token, which is also known as LP-NFT. It represents your part of the total amount locked in the pool. The token pair you placed, the token symbols, and the pool's address are also carved into the NFT. You can sell this NFT to swiftly liquidate your liquidity pool stake. Adopt NFT-powered yield farming. Yield farming is also known as liquidity mining. This is a process of earning yield on digital assets by locking them up as a stake in a DeFi trading lending pool to act as a liquidity provider. NFTs are quickly becoming a core component of AMMs, so users farm for yields utilizing NFT-powered products. Return farming is the practice of combining several DeFi protocols to create the maximum possible yield from your digital assets. The LP NFT tokens served as liquidity provider tokens on Uniswap can be used as collateral or staked on other protocols to generate additional yields. Similarly, on PancakeSwap, the market-leading AMM on Binance Smart Chain, users need to deposit 2 BEP20 assets in a trading pool to receive a liquidity pool token that then needs to be staked in a farm to earn yield farming returns in cake tokens. Consider it as a way to earn a yield on top of a yield-generating process. This potentially opens the door to a multi-tiered income generation approach that is appropriate for yield farmers. Keep in mind that NFTs and the underlying smart contract technology are still in their infancy. The NFT industry is revolutionizing at a very fast pace, and soon it will be the leading industry in the digital world. Passive income strategies are risky, but people earned millions through them. This was my overview of the top 5 passive income strategies through NFT. Tell me about your views in the comment section below. Kudos!